How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Bank of America credit card. For that, you want to open up any web browser and search for Activate Bank of America credit card. Now, you want to tap on this option, which is credit card activation. Once you tap on this, it will take you to the official web page of Bank of America. Here, you will be able to activate your credit card. Now, here are two options. The first one is if you already have an online account, you can tap on that. Otherwise, you will have to tap on the second option, which is to create a new online and mobile banking account. So if you already have an account, tap on the first option. Now, you will have to log into your account. For that, you will have to enter your credentials. So start by entering your user ID. Then you want to enter your password. Once that is done, tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you can tap on the activate credit card option. Then follow the on-screen prompts and your Bank of America credit card will be successfully activated. If you do not have an account, simply tap on New to Online and Mobile Banking option. Now tap on the Get Started option. Now, to begin your enrollment, you will have to enter your card or account number, then enter your social security number or tax ID number. Now tap on the continue option. After that, you will have to fill up some other details as well. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and then your new account will be created. After your account has been created, you will be able to activate your Bank of America credit card from there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.